announce their name and I will leave and their names also.
So everybody who was initiated can come now. Who's not receiving
Wait. First the ones who took initiative this morning, they can also come.
Yes.
So we will announce their names first. Then all can go.
Yes,
You can come and take your
Okay.
bags. You can come.
Vidya and Janavi, come forward please.
You can take your. Where? Your name is Vidya. Vidya Devi ki
Jai!
Jannavi. His name has been the same as you are Jannavi. Jannavi ki
Jai!
and others.
Imro, Dr. Imro, please
They
come.
should take their gift bags.
Imran is inside at the Yagya arena.
You
Should I call him in?
You should come and take his feedback.
Okay.
That none are here.
Or Matthew, Dr. Matthew.
Why they are not come? These are your one. Your name has been kept as Madan Gopal Prabhu.
Then Bhakti Gisela. Gisela, where is she? She's there. She should also come. Please call her to come here quickly.
And the ladies, they should come and take their feedback.
Yeah, one other lady.
What?
Rukmini.
Come.
Rukmini is here.
Rukmini?
Ingrid, come.
Where is Rukmini?
Yes, Ingrid is coming.
Rukmini? Your feedback is this? Oh, your name is Jasodhara? Your name has been changed. It's Jasodhara. Jashoda. Jashoda, you know? The mother of Krishna is Jashoda. And her sister is Jasodhara. So we can tell you Jashoda, very good, very easy. Jashoda Devi ki Jashoda. And
Is Rukmini is here?
please.
Okay.
Rukmini where?
Now coming.
Rukmini name has been changed and
Yes.
thank you. Where is your feedback? This?
Your gender is on there.
What's your name, please? Rukmini, we have changed. What is it? Rasheshwari. You know Rasheshwari? Oh, dancing is Krishna in Rash. So you are Rasheshwari. The second name of Srimati Radhika. Rasheshwari Dasi ki. Yours?
Gisela.
Huh? Oh. Very small name we have given. Gauri. Gauri means Radhika is Gauri, very golden color. So you are Gauri Devi ki. Gauri. You remember? We have kept your name Jadunandan. Jadunandan Das Prabhu ki. What name? Jadunandan. Very good.
One call Admani. Can you please go at once to the fire sacrifice? This afternoon at 4:30 there will be a Ratha Yatra procession around this complex. All the devotees should be present here, assemble, and take Lord Jagannath out for procession this afternoon at 4:30, please.
Then there is some legs there, so I
Let them go.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
It's better to sit near to fire because otherwise you
Krishna,
make some space.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
It will take too much time, so throw very little, not so much at a time.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
So don't touch this finger.
So don't touch this. You go upside or down? Hey, Radharaman Prabhu.
Yes, but
You can use.
so it's easier when she has to.
So share it for now. When Radharaman comes, we'll take another place. You should take your top off and just use your chadar. Prabhu? Just use your chadar.
Om Visyakshanaya,
Om Visheshwaraya,
Om Kapilaya, Om Jam Bhagavataya, Om Bhishma Devaya, Om Sukdevaya, Om Janakaya, Om Sadashivaya, Om Prahladaya, Om Brahmane, Om Balirajaya, Om Shambhuvaya, Om Garudaya, Om Hanumate, Om Marisaya, Om Vasudevaya, Om Uddhavaya, Om Yudhishthiraya, Om Bhimaya, Om Arjunaya, Om Nakulaya, Om Sahadevaya, Om Viduraya, Om Vishnurataya, Om Vibhishanaya, Om Sri Krishna Chaitanyaya.
If you throw in the fire palm upside.
Om Sri Nityanandaya, Om Sri Advaitaya, Om Pandit Gadadhara Dibbaha, Om Sri Vasadibbaha, Om Sri Rupaya, Om Sanatanaya, Om Bhatta Raghunathaya, Om Sri Jivaya, Om Gopal Bhattaya, Om Das Raghunathaya, Om Diksha Gurave, Om Shiksha Gurubha, Om Sri Navadip Dhamne, Om Sri Mayapur Jog Bichaya, Om Antarangayai, Om Paurnamasai, Om Padmayai, Om Mahalakshmai, Om Garuda Gangayai, Om Jamunayai, Om Saraswatai, Om Goppai, Om Indayai, Om Gayatrai, Om Tulasai,
Keep throwing everything in place. You should scare them. And take lick now because we have a lot.
Om Prithivai, Om Dave, Om Jasodayai, Om Devahustai, Om Devakai, Om Rohinai, Om Sitayai, Om Draupadayai, Om Kuntai, Om Rukminai, Om Satyabhamayai, Om Jambavattai, Om Nagnajittai, Om Lakshmanayai, Om Kalindai, Om Bhadrayai, Om Mitravrindayai, Om Sridamne, Om Sudamne, Om Stoka Krishnaya, Om Lavangaya, वसुधाम्ने स्वाहा ओम अर्जुनाय स्वाहा ओम चैत्यगुरवे स्वाहा ओम वार्षभानमी गान्धर्विके कार्तिक देवी श्रीकृष्णदेव सर्वेश्वरी क्लीं वृन्दावन सदाधिकार पदे श्रीं ह्रीं वंशधाधिकायै स्वाहा ओम कृष्ण वै सच्चिदानंद घनः कृष्ण आदि पुरुष कृष्ण पुरुषोत्तम कृष्ण हाउ कर्मादि मूलम कृष्ण सह सर्वैकार्यः कृष्णं कासंचिता विषं प्रभु मुख बुद्ध कृष्णो अनादिः तस्मिन् न जानन्त राज्ये जन्मन्वन्त लभते कृति कृष्णाय गोविन्द गोपीजन वल्लभाय ओम ललितायै ओम श्यामलतायै ओम धनिष्ठायै ओम मंगलायै ओम पद्मायै ओम सज्जायै ओम भद्रायै ओम चित्तत्पलायै ओम पाल्लै ओम तारायै ओम कुंजकलिकायै ओम निकुंजकलिकायै ओम सुखकलिकायै ओम रसकलिकायै ओम प्रमदायै ओम निष्ठायै ओम तुलस्यै ओम रमायै ओम ब्रह्मायै ओम बिम्बस्थै ओम रसदायै ओम आनन्ददायै ओम कलावत्यै ओम गोमञ्जर्यै ओम आनन्दमञ्जर्यै ओम रसमञ्जर्यै ओम मंजर्जय कस्त्री मंजर्जय मंजर्जय ज्योति मंजर्जय मंजर्जय सर्वसचिवः सर्वचरितः संगीतः वैकुंठधाम्ने वासुदेवाय रामाय धूम्नाय धाय धाम्ने 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 मत्स्याय कुर्माय ओम बराहाय ओम नृसिंहाय ओम वामनाय ओम कृष्ण रामाय रघुनाथ रामाय रघुनाथ रामाय ओम बुद्धाय ओम कल्किनी
places of India or world. They had been to Puri, also Dwarka, all the places of India. At that time, very ancient time, about crores years before. So, 3-4 devotees came from Nilachal, and they were in the council of that Indrajit Maharaj. He honored them, the king, and told, from where you are coming? Oh, we are coming from Nil Madhav, very decent, very beautiful deity, 400. Very shamru, very
Blackish form.
not blackish, like Nil, like blue clouds. And if anyone goes there and takes darshan of him, he at once gets up his body and becomes 400 in spiritual form. Huh?
The person who takes darshan,
Yes,
he becomes
400. In what? Transcendental form. And never it comes here, goes to Vaikuntha. The king told that I want to go there. So he promised that I must go there. So he was ready to go there. The devotees went from there. Everything is okay? Purnavati is to begin. So they should go all. Very good. So he decided that I must go there with my whole family and counselors. He took his all wealth, his soldiers and generals, and he marched. He was told that it is on the bank of Blue Ocean, that is Indian Ocean, in the east side of India. So when he reached there, he saw that the forest in which Nilmadhav was there, on the hill, all were covered with sands of sea. There was no remnant, nothing was there. At first, the king sent his counselors that he should go and search where is Nilmadhav. Is one of the son of his priest. He was searching here, there. So, that boy was very young, then they are calling. So I will tell it in afternoon, that so all devotees will be here. So we should take our Mridanga Kartal, Ganja, and with singing we'll go, and we will finish Purnavati, and then all will return, and then some ceremony will be done here in front of Thakurji. They should have been told, that you should tell them to give at least Paramander to Thakurji with Tulasi. And in a big, big pot, all the things, utensils, Gita, Bhagavad, knife, gold, coins, it was anything, any beautiful things should be given. And then we will begin that. So we should go. So you should take the Mridanga Kartal.
It's not finished, almost finished.
Yo.
any mic under the crew? What is your mic?
That's upstairs.
Not much.
One now.
Go, Premanandi. You should touch this and come here and stand by. You are sannyasi. You should touch this.
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama
Anybody else?
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Krishna.
You should utter. You should take hand here. You should all repeat me.
He is in trance.
Okay, Haribol. Om Prajapati Vishnu Rishi Virat Gayatri Chandah Sri Vishnu Devata Vishnu Dasya Krishna Dasya Sri Varshabhanavi Dasya Namasya Jajaniya Prayoge Viniyogah Om Purnam Purnahomam Jasase Vishnave Juhomi Jah Asmai Vishnave Juhoti Sa Varam Asmai Dadati Vishnu Varam Vrine Jasasa Bhami Loke Swaha Give me
Gaur Pramana.
घी दिले ना
हाँ दिए थे
कोथा दिए चल घी दिए हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
shrine ceremony.
will be there. So you should come all.
Okay, Radharaman Prabhuji. Hey, Radharaman.
Yeah. Milk. Oh no, I didn't make.
We're gonna do the grain ceremony of my daughter. And
Rajana Prabhu. Rajana Prabhu. De vrouw van Damada heeft het gemaakt. I didn't make. I didn't make.
you should stay and give blessings.
I didn't make it.
Yes. But you are going to speak also. Ask about a little because there's so many people.
All succeed.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Brigna's berry pepper, that pepper that I gave you, this function is very sacred. In India it is called Anna Prarthana. When a child, if male child, then when he becomes at the age of 6 or 8 months, he should be given any very good Mahaprasad, especially kheer, rice boiled in milk and sugar, very delicious, very sweet. Mahaprasad of Krishna should be given to the daughter when he will become in the age of 6 or 8. And if she is female, then at the age of 5 months, 5th month or 7th month, within this sacred sanskar should be given. Why? There are two kinds of happiness in this world. There are two kinds of prosperities are there. Bhautik means bhautik, material prosperity, and another is paramarthik, spiritual advancement, and one is material advancement. So by these anyone, a boy, if he is given, he will be very prosperous and happy in this world, also in material happiness also, and also in paramārthik, in spiritual life. So many good qualities, all kinds of good qualities will come in the child, to whom it is given. This sanskar, impression. Like Prahlad Maharaj took impression when he was in the womb, and after that this impression was also given to him. You know, Lava and Kusha. This was also given to Lava and Krishna, who gave a very bona fide devotee, like himself Valmiki Rishi. So it should be given by any very good devotee. Where it should be given? In any holy land. So this is holy land. Like Vrindavan, Puri Dham, Navdeep Dham, or any. Now whole Vaishnavas here, so it is more than Vaikuntha. All are singing Krishna name chant, and they are uttering, singing, dancing here. Hari Katha is going on. So this place now is really a holy land. Especially it has become more important than Vaikuntha itself. So this place is like holy land. So we are giving this thing to this child. We have given her name like what?
Madhava Priya, Gurudev. You gave her a name.
Madhava Priya. Very good name. Madhava Priya Dasi ki Jai. Her name has become Madhava Priya. Who is Madhava Priya? Very, very beloved to Madhava, Krishna.
Who is there to Madhava?
Srimati Radhika is like that. So Madhava Priya is.
Srimati Radhika.
So Madhava Priya Dasi.
Yeah.
Also we will do his ring.
Ear piercing.
Yes. I will also do mantra for this. Now we are giving sacred this Mahaprasadam to her on this day. You should take flowers in your hands all.
All to take flowers.
All. Anyone is giving?
Everybody has flowers?
Yes. You should repeat me. You can see this place. You should repeat all me.
Okay.
Om. Swasti no. Govindah. Swasti no. Achyutanantau. Swasti no. Vasudevo. Vishnur dadhatu. Swasti no. Narayano. Naro vai. Swasti naha. Padmanabha. Purushotamo. Dadhatu. Swasti no. Vishwakshenah. Vishweshwarah. Swasti no. Rishikesho. Harir. Dadhatu. Swasti no. Vainateyo. Hari. Swasti no. Anjana Suto. Manur. Bhagavato. Dadhatu. Swasti. Sumangalai Kesho. Mahan. Sri Krishna Satchidananda Ghana Sarveshwareshwaro Dadhatu Mangalam Bhavatu Mangalam Bhavatu Swasti Bhavatu Krishna Bhaktir Bhavatu Radha Bhakti Bhavatu Now
रुचि परीक्षा है कैसे ना
ये सब
रुचि परीक्षा है कैसे
ना like hand hold it कंसा कुंजरा केशरी कालिंदी जलकल्लोला कोलाहल कुतूहल that Krishna should always say protect this baby always. He should also be safe and protect in all ways. Those who will tell Madhav, they will be saved by all Krishna, Nishingadev, Vamandev and all. So again, you fold your hands and Madhavo, Madhavo, Bachi. Madhavo, Madhavo, Hridi. Smaranti Sadhavah Sarve. Sarva Karjeshu. Madhavam. Again. Labhastesham. Jayastesham. Kutastesham. Parabhavah. Conquer. Kusastesham bhavapara. They will never be defeated by any danger, obstacles and anything. So we should try to keep this very beautiful playing on this feet, this lotus feet of Krishna, who is always singing on floor, and with Srimati Radhika, we should try to keep them here, conjugal. Then you should again Grishma Ritau Ashadha Masi Shukla Pakshe Ditiya Tithau. Today is Ravivar, no? Sunday Ravi Vasare. Play with anyone, anything. And in the middle, not there.